Only one entry, Fields of Gold. Fields of Gold, moving forward, riderless. Penultimate race, race number 13, here, Santa Ana Ford. Fields of Gold still outside. You can still place your bets. Class Division 1B. Fields of Gold inside. Anytime now, race number 13. All set now, ready to race, penultimate race. $1,100. Away they go. Bangge, Erica Cha, Fields of Gold racing on the outside to grab the lead. Fields of Gold, the leader, Bangge, down on the inside, New Chapter. Racing on the further outside, Erica Cha, moving up by the rail is Magnificent Yoki. Magnificent Yoki on the outside is Fields of Gold. Erica Champ on the further outside by the rail is Bliss. On the outside is Bangge. Then comes Cat May, New Chapter. Remus racing Portland is Apo Mysteries. And at the far turn, it's still Magnificent Yoki. Fields of Gold racing on the outside. Pokes his nose to grab the lead. It's now Fields of Gold by Lincoln up Magnificent Yoki. And racing in 30s on the outside is Remus. And Erica's Champ on the further outside. Cut me Bangge. And ring the finish line. Better go down and collect Origin the bag. Fields of Gold second. Magnificent Yoki. Bangge. Cut me Bliss. Pentafecta.